Hello guys, today we are going to be playing Universe Sandbox, a game where you can explore the solar system, have fun and create your own stuff, like create your own galaxies maybe, stars, planets and more. So to start, we might add a planet in the solar system. Let's try Gliese 876D. Since it's a gas giant, I might put it about here. Let's look at it now. Let's just put orbits. Okay. It already looks like it's turned to stone or something. Now we might give it a moon. That'll be good. Let's say this. Where did the moon go? I think because of the gravity the moon has died. Let's put a moon over here and then let's try make it cool, like tilting it. Now let's slow down time and see how it looks. The other outer moon is a bit wobbly, but I'll say that's fine. Now, I'm gonna try something out. We might, into Universe Sandbox, you can add rings to each planet of their real rings. So I wanna see Saturn's. So this is how Saturn's rings look like. It looks very realistic. Now, we might do some colliding. So, let's put a Saturn here and maybe make it collide with a Uranus and Neptune next to each other. Okay, so we can see that Neptune has collided into Uranus and Uranus won, and now, wow, it's really cool. So now Saturn and Uranus will collide right now, and I've slowed the time to see how realistic it can appear. So we can see Uranus going, and oh, wait a minute. We've made Uranus orbit Saturn. So you can even move planets, and let me try and move Uranus a bit close to Saturn, and they might collide. So so the time is slow. Take off the movie thing and you can see all the fragments coming out. It's really cool. Now let's speed up time to see if Saturn is still how it looks like. Saturn's not turning to normal, so I guess it's just gonna look like this. Maybe if we speed up time a bit faster, something might change. Oh wait, it's changing. So yes, Saturn is normal and it looks like nothing happened to Saturn. But we're gonna make it a bit crazier, like chaos. So we're gonna go to Saturn, and then we go to add. Let's add the rings. But the thing is, we're gonna put planet let's say Uranus, like to Uranus, and see what happens with the rings. Okay, you can see the rings, they just spread out like that, and the few other rings are still orbiting. Let's speed up time. So you can see that the rings are in outer space, and some little bits are just still orbiting Saturn. Will it still be normal? Yep, nothing has changed if you speed up time a lot. Nothing has changed at all. Now, let's try one of these new things. Let's try solar system with Betelgeuse instead. So you can see it's took all the inner planets, including the asteroid belt, and it just conquered Jupiter. And you can see Saturn right here, where you can see there's this dark spot that hasn't been heated up, but the rest is heated up. And Saturn is just going to collide into Betelgeuse. And let's speed up time and see who could survive Betelgeuse. So Uranus is gone. You can see Neptune doesn't. Pluto's gone. Quo and Orcus and Haumea don't make it. Macae don't make it. We have this asteroid, Eris, Senna, and three more asteroids. Let's speed time up and see if okay, Senna survives. That is